Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I am checking out the ESGREEN or ESGREEN Rechargeable Flashlight. I mean, check out that beam focus though. That is pretty crazy. I mean, all right friends, so regular door, and then the UV light just shows up all kinds of stuff on here where people have touched the door handle or whatever. Look at this. There's just a ton of stuff all over on here, which is really cool, just shining this in different places. All right, friends, here we are in the backyard here, and you can see that it puts out a nice, wide or light out here in the backyard, nice round circle there. And then if you want to focus, I mean, this thing is crazy as far as like up at the top of the tree there. Just throws a really bright beam up there, like it's like the bat signal. Look at that thing. It's a little raining outside, but there's trees like way over there, and I can basically like a little spotlight thing. Pretty insane. And nice and wide here. Check out my backyard here, down the side yard, and if we need to focus, there's somebody down there, just throw a beam just on that little area right there, we can. So really focusable and cool. I like these things actually glow, so after they've been brightened off, when I turn this off, then these are glowing, so that's cool. So if you need to find your flashlight in the dark, that's another nice feature. Pretty sweet actually, my friends. Throws out a wide beam here, so it brightens up the whole backyard here pretty good. And like I said, if we need to focus on something far away, this can definitely do it. All in all, pretty impressive. Seems to be a pretty cool little flashlight. It's indicating the charge life, and also with the thick 6,000 mega amp hours, I can charge my phone in a pinch too if I want to off this thing. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.